Hello everyone. In this session, we discuss the vehicle development cycle. Basically, there are the three different type of cycle. First is the automotive product life cycle. Second is the automotive development cycle, and third is the design cycle. So this automotive product life cycle, okay, it is not too much needed to the design engineer, but for sales point of view, it is very important. And as we are working on the automotive design, so we just need to have idea about the this automotive product life cycle. So see this image, okay, sales versus time. So first is uh, introduction, or you can say startup phase. Second is growth. Third is maturity. Fourth is the decline, and at the end, okay, here vehicle get discontinued. So see, in introduction phase, new car model are launched with significant marketing effort to create awareness. During this phase, automaker invest heavily in research and development, testing and marketing to promote the unique features of the new vehicle. So in startup phase, this OEM, original equipment manufacturing, for example, Skoda, BMW, Tata Motors, okay, Mahindra, these OEMs launch their concept design. Also, they make their concept car, okay, which is upcoming, available in the expos, automotive expo. Okay, so once the customer or people, okay, they they are checking, okay, new designs are coming, then the vehicle get launched, and then growth phase start. So in the growth phase, what happen, okay, vehicle gains the acceptance and positive reviews, sales start to grow rapidly. Automaker may introduce different variant, additional features, or special editions to capitalize on growing demand. And this page very important for, okay, for the production purposes, because there is a bulk production, and due to this the production cost leads to the lower. So this page is very helpful to get the profit for the automaker. So in growth phase, okay, so customer, people, okay, they accept. And we know that, okay, these automakers are doing advertisement, okay, uh, the actors we have seen, they are driving their cars on social media platform or on television. These ads are running continuously, and then sales start booming. Okay, so this is the growth phase. Then this third phase is the maturity. So see, vehicle reach a point where sales stabilize, and it become well established choice in the market. Competition is intense during this phase, with various manufacturers offering similar models. So marketing efforts may focus on the product differentiation, then, okay, realizing the this safety features, then fuel efficiency or advanced technology. So in, see, as time passes now, this sales reach to the point, okay, where after that there is no growth, because we know that, okay, suppose vehicle is launched by the Tata Motors, but there are different competitors also, they are launching their vehicle, okay, and with the time new models are coming with new feature, then customer, okay, not interested in, okay, in that uh, vehicle, okay, they are want futuristic vehicle. So, okay, here sales get stabilized, and after some time, okay, sales goes on declining. Okay, so this is the declining phase. Once sales, okay, drops, so in the declining phase, what happen, okay, factors such as changing customer preferences, technology advancements, okay, or introduction to the newer model can lead to the decline in sales. So this time, okay, when this time coming na, so vehicle may be phase out, or manufacturer might be implement strategies, okay, to the models, such as they do the facelift, okay, then technology upgrade or price reduction. So to hold in the market, okay, to make profit or to sell, okay, whatever the vehicle are remaining, then that time automaker, okay, they use different strategies, okay, they are changing some its exterior design or some lighting, or they are added some technologies. Okay, also price reduction also done. But at the end, okay, uh, as the time passes, we required a newer model with futuristic features. So at the end, this automaker discontinue that vehicle. So this is the automotive product life cycle. Okay, this related to the sales, not for the designer. Next is the vehicle development cycle. Okay, it is very important to us. See, these are the different, you can say, steps or phases in the vehicle development cycle. First is freehand sketching. So when ori- original equipment manufacturing, okay, OEM companies, Skoda, okay, suppose they want to design new model car. So initially this freehand sketching is done. Okay, its idea or concept generation is done in the form of the sketching. Then, okay, after that sketching, whatever the good designs, okay, good sketches, they got selected, and then by using these sketches, clay modeling is done. So clay modeling, you can say, it is one type of prototype. Okay, so this idea generation make into the reality by clay modeling. So we see, okay, real time the aesthetic of that design. Then after that, okay, once the clay modeling get finalized or this design is accepted, then class a development is start. So class a surface development is done on the Autodesk Ally software. Also this clay modeling undergo the scanning, and by using this class a surface get developed by the OEM, and then this class a surface is shared with the design service company who do the development of work, okay, on the class A surface. So this design service companies, they do the solid modeling. Okay, they check the class A surfaces, okay, they are okay to manufacture or not. Then they do the packaging study, they add the features. Okay, they check this parts packaging with the surrounding, and then once their data get matured, they do the design reviews, they share this data to the tooling teams or analysis team or testing team, manufacturing team, okay, whatever the different team involved in that. And then after that, okay, pre-production tools and prototype is developed. Okay, so again, after designing with the help of 3D printing, prototype develop, and proper aesthetic part observed. Okay, again, suppose some changes want, then again this get implemented into the design. And then suppose we got the tools. So after with that tool, okay, we got the sample part for the testing. Also these sample part are assembled. Okay, they check aesthetically, also they shared for the different automotive testing. And based on that, suppose some issues, errors are coming, or again some improvement required, then design changes done at the, okay, and after final design changes, okay, final tool and part shape is decided. And once the part shape is finalized and tool get finalized, okay, mold get finalized, then bulk production of the part started. Okay, this bulk production of the part having the zero defect, and then various packages made. Okay, so see, understand, various packages made means what? Okay, see, console having number of part. Okay, consider it has 10 part, door having 15 part, IP having, okay, it has a number of part. So this all the part of the console, okay, they assembled with each other. All the part of door, they assembled with each other. So they are separate packages, packages of the door panel, packages of the console. Okay, whatever the different automotive component, their packages are made and they are shipped in the packages to the OEM. And then, okay, when OEM received all these packages, so on the vehicle assembly of that OEM, okay, OEM have OEM has the this vehicle line, okay, and so on that the vehicle assembly is done and we got the finished product, okay, and this car get launched on the road. So this is the vehicle development cycle. Now the next is design life cycle, and it is very important for design engineers, okay. When you go for the interview, definitely 100%, okay. Second question, they will ask you how did you work on your part, or explain your company working culture. So the answer of this question, okay, is this slide. See, there are two type of company: service based company and product based company. And we know that OEM is the original equipment manufacturing, okay. Mahindra, Skoda, BMW, they give the work to the service based company or product based company. So let's first understand this uh, six stages, okay. First is the RFQ stage. So what happened in RFQ stages, okay, these OEMs, okay, we have seen, okay, in the previous slide, vehicle development, OEM develop the class surface from that scanning of the clay modeling or Autodesk Ally software. So this class surface is shared to the design companies, okay, like Tata Technology or Apple Sierra, Foroshia, okay, ISC, Alligram. So suppose, okay, this Skoda is the OEM we consider here, and they share their class surface, okay, pillar class surface to the Foroshia, ISC or Alligram. Then these three companies are initial, okay, they create the initial concept data of that pillar, okay, they create the market master sections, they create the packaging study, okay, they consider the whatever the slider drifter requirement. Also material is decided, weight of the part decided, then mold, okay, mold, its costing is decided, design costing is decided, also timeline required for that part, okay, also decided. And this also, there are different two three proposals of design also included in that technical presentation. And then all this technical presentation, okay, by these three companies, Porsche, ISC or Alligram, is shared to the Skoda OEM. And then, okay, Skoda accept, who give the good proposal, okay, good timeline, good costing, okay, and who give the good design proposal. Based on that, that design company own the project. And then after that, after owning the project, so they again start properly working on the classes surface provided by the OEM. Then next is the pre-release. So once the project win by the design company, they work 2 3 months on the classes surface. They create close volume, they add the features, whatever the sync mark reduction strategies they are using. And then this data is shared to the tool maker, also internal design reviews done. Then this data also shared to the analysis team, okay, and they check is there any issue or not, okay. Suppose they have some feedback, they again change the design. And then once data get matured, okay, they they make the proto of this part to check in real aesthetically, okay. So in the second stage, proto get developed. Again this part is assembled, okay, with its surrounding. uh, in with that proto, they check aesthetically, also whatever the feature added, locators, snaps or screw bars, okay, they are properly assembling or not, or there is a play, okay, these snaps are properly inserting, okay, they are working, okay, as per requirement or not. And then based on that, okay, further we go to the further stage, okay, stage 3. So stage 3 is the B release. B release means what? This class surface is get freeze. So here you need to understand. Okay, when you are working on that partner parallelly, the class A development also done. Okay, there is a changes on the class A surface also going. While working at least 2-3 times, this OEM share you the new class A surface. Okay, so this changes also going, and accordingly we need to do the rework also. So there is a time come which is always good for both us or OEM, okay, to our rework get stopped, and then this uh, be release means your styling design get freeze. Okay, after that there is a no change in the classes surface, only suppose some technical, okay, tooling things required on the B side, okay, they can be done. And then once data get matured and style get freeze, so all data, okay, it is shared to the tool kickoff. So in the fourth stage, the mold designing for that part gets started. Okay, mold get developed. Okay, once the mold get developed, then they are assembled on the injection molding machine, and we got the part for the trial. Okay, this trial part we got, so it is come under the fifth stage. So first sample, okay, with new tool we got, it is called T0. Again we check, okay, this sample aesthetically, okay, they having uh, any plastic defects or any design issues, okay, they are assembling, okay, with their environment part in the assembly properly or not. Also here we need to have idea, okay, because what happens sometimes your design is okay and sync mark is coming, but this is due to the tool makers issue or process issue. So that time you need to investigate, okay, why this is coming. Because what happened, suppose sync mark is coming and it is due to the tool maker, he forgot to do the coring in the tool. That time this tool maker just push, okay, push his issue on designer. They told that designer is not designer having the not designing their part properly. So that time you need to ask them to share the tool. Okay, in that tool you need to check they are properly doing this sync mark thing or not. Okay, so this is very important. So again, suppose T0 sample having issue, again engineering changes is done in the part, then again we got T1 sample, same process we need to check, then we got the T2 sample. So up to T3, T4, okay, we need to avoid all the defect and we need to provide the good part. So once we are getting the good part, okay, at T3 or T4 level, then we go for the sixth stage, and it is the start of production in a bulk. So see, service based company and product based company. Service based company, if you are working in the service based company, once your styling get freeze, you share data to the tool kickoff, and after your project work gets stopped. Okay, there is a no further work on that project. Suppose in case this tool maker having some changes on the B side, okay, he want to move the feature or want to do some modification in the feature or reefs. Okay, so they share one presentation to make that modification. Only that type of work is coming. Okay, but sometimes OEM also have their internal design team. They are doing this type of modification. So at stage 4 now or 3, this service based company work is done. In product based company you need to work still 6 stage. Okay, you also have your involvement in the sample checking. Okay, you have your discussion with the cross functional team, okay, to make this product defect free at the end of the project, and to make, okay, start of production in a bulk. So benefit of working in the product based company, that you understand whatever the changes, okay, done after be release, okay, on the part, so why they are required. Okay, suppose sync mark is coming, you have add sync mark trap, or you do the uh, this material removal, okay, you maintain 40%, still sync mark is coming, then you know that. Okay, so why it is coming. Okay, suppose there are some process control in the molding, so you get idea. Okay, because in future suppose everything is okay but still sync mark is coming, so you can have your opinion. Okay, you share your feedback to the senior, or you can share some things like that. Use the beryllium coolant. Okay, cooling is not properly done in molding, so you need to check the coolant lines or use the good type of coolant. Okay, so to get this plastic material solidified or even cooling. Okay, so with that even cooling we also counter this sink mark issue. So that type of technical knowledge, okay, you got in the product based company. So I hope you understand. Okay, this all three cycle: automotive product life cycle, then vehicle development cycle, and design life cycle. So at the end, if you have any doubt, you can ask, okay, on the discussion panel. Thank you.